Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Core's Life. In this video, I'm going to be showing you Apple Hill, which is located just slightly north of Sacramento. In this location, there are about 50 local family farms in which they grow vegetables, apples, and fruits. I hope you like this quick little tour, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Cold enough to make you shiver, but not cold enough to snow. Cold enough to know it's winter, perfect time to say our first hello. Scarves and sweaters bundled up in cotton, knowing names that wouldn't be forgotten, laughing over our own sense of humor underneath the Christmas lights that glow.